In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Chess.com. This process is quick and easy, and in just a few minutes you'll have a new look on your profile. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Chess.com. This is the primary platform for playing chess online and accessing all your chess related activities. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. It's usually located in the middle of the left side of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see options to enter your username and password. Carefully type in the details if you remember them. If you've set up your account using social media like Google, Apple or Facebook, you can simply click on the respective option to log in smoothly. After logging in, you might be prompted to choose the account you want to use, especially if you have multiple Gmail accounts linked. Select the appropriate one that's associated with your chess.com account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a settings option which will allow you to manage various aspects of your account. Click on settings to proceed. In the settings section, we're focusing on your profile. Here under the profile category, you'll find an option to change your avatar. Look for a button or a link near your current profile picture. It usually says change or edit. Click on that link to start the process of updating your profile picture. This will prompt you to select a file from your computer. It's a good idea to have your new profile picture ready beforehand, probably saved in an easy to access location on your device. Click on upload or choose file and navigate to where your desired image is stored. Select the picture you want to use and confirm your choice. With your new profile picture uploaded, the final step is to click save. This will apply the changes and your profile will now showcase your new image. Make sure your picture meets chess.com's guidelines so you don't encounter any issues. By following these steps, you can easily update your profile picture on chess.com and give your profile a fresh and personalized look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe for more game related tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.